There's no thrill like discovery. The Discovery Channel. Explore your world.
The impact of a comet like this would excavate a crater which would include the whole of Manhattan. Everything we can see here would just disappear, along with some miles of depth of rock underneath. Lumps of rock the size of these skyscrapers would start raining down upon Washington 30 or 40 seconds later. Chicago would get similar sized rocks 2 or 3 minutes after that. Los Angeles and San Francisco another 5 minutes later. It truly would be calamitous for the whole of North America, indeed the whole of the world.
The odds of being killed by an impact from space are about 1 in a million per year, for you, for me, for everyone on planet Earth. 1 in a million is about the same risk we take each time we fly in a commercial airliner.
Eugene and Carolyn Shoemaker, cosmic detectives. Across 10,000 miles of Australian outback, they hunt asteroids and comets, rocks that fall from space.
It's big, 1.5 miles across, 6 miles around, and over 1,000 feet high. However, it's not made of the same things that asteroids and comets are made of. It's made of sandstone, the kind of rock we find on Earth. But it does give us an idea of the scale of our problem.
In 1994, the fragments of a fractured comet slam into the giant planet Jupiter. Thanks to the Shoemakers and colleague David Levy, proof positive that rocks rain from the heavens. Before it tore apart, the comet was the size of Ayers Rock. They discovered Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9.
Of course, you don't have to go as far as Jupiter to see the effects of comet and asteroid impact. Look at the moon.
She's beautiful, but Earth's little sister is pocked with celestial buckshot. Through more than 4 billion years, she's been smacked with the debris of the solar system, each crater testament to an impact. Comets as big as Ayers Rock, asteroids as small as a bus, a blitz of ice and rock and iron. Yet not so long ago, these craters were thought the product of volcanic upheavals. Although the moon's interior is now believed inert, it was molten in early times, the root of the misunderstanding. So, 4 billion years ago, when a projectile hit the moon, it gouged a crater that eventually filled with magma from beneath. Gene Shoemaker spent years convincing fellow scientists that such craters are not volcanic plugs, but impact sites.
Well, of course, the moon is a prime example of impact craters because it preserves this record going back over 4 billion years.